the basket broke on the sub.
Oh.
And I only had 3 out of the 4.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Jay, what is that? Jay?
Yeah. Her name, Jamie.
Jamie. Okay.
It's on all the doors too.
Nice.
Open the door, you'll see the J.
Okay. There you go. Hey, add something to it to make it special. What else in here, equipment-wise?
218 Skar Audio EVLs on a Taramps 8K, 10 doors, 10 door speakers on a 440 amp. 18 is wired down to 1 ohm, doors are wired down to 2 ohms.
Okay.
I'm feeling this thing flex on me.
What is it tuned to? Hey Austin, what's the box tuned to?
The rear's tuned to 24, the front's tuned to around 49.
49. So it's a 6th order.
Yeah,
that's what that back one is a 4. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey Ross, make sure that they got that shit right. Hey, that motherfucker go ding. That shit should add up about 5.4K. I'll be alright, man. I'm finna go get drunk. Tell me the gas in the jet. I stay on my grind, could that come first? If we get out of line, his feelings finna get hurt. All this on my mind, and get that dough. You try me, I'ma take it places you don't wanna go. 50, 60 stacks of more.
That's pretty musical, dude. Yeah.
You gotta see the back.
Yeah, I gotta check it out. All right, let's do it. A lot of crazy builds.
Oh yeah. I watch videos every day.
Oh yeah, appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Like them? Good. With the rolls like a young nigga, man. I ain't tryna die, yo. So I'm still 10 toes down in my Valencia. You run out of the nigga, that's my job, that's job time. Cold hearted, don't go with the well, the main thing is the bitch rock. Keep me on the road. The design of the road, keep me calm. Yeah, the box was
Oh, you show me it over the light?
Yeah.
Oh, I appreciate it, man. That way you can look into the magnet and the coil a little bit better. Thank you. Good idea, man. You can see how the subwoofer's wired. Everything's sealed off. Thank you for that.
No problem.
Good idea. Thank you. Appreciate it. Nice. Thank you, man.
Yeah, I will.
I'm gonna be in the front.
Tell me there's some shit. I stay on my grind. Could that converse? If we get out of line, it's finna get hurt. All this on my mind. It get that done. You tryna, I'ma take it, place of you. Wanna go 50, 60 stacks of money.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.